Hey everyone, welcome back to Alpha Insights. I'm Allison, and I'm super excited today.
And I'm Sarah. Great to be with you all. And hey, if you have questions while you listen, drop them at stockalpha.ai.
All right, quick headline we want to unpack. Empire Petroleum filed a short SEC disclosure earlier today that investors should not ignore.
Right. The filing is the kind of thing that flags possible material developments, but the index entry we saw is more like a heads up than a full story.
So, the real question here is, what does this actually mean for someone holding the stock or watching the name?
Good setup. The important bits we can tell you without reading the whole document are: the company reported an other events disclosure and attached financial exhibits. That combination can cover a lot of ground.
Which is why the filing size matters. It was about 383 kilobytes, so there are exhibits attached, not just a one-line notice.
Exactly. Exhibits could be anything from updated financial statements to agreements to details on a transaction. And that can move the stock once analysts and traders dig in. Right.
I mean, when you look at the data, a filing that pairs other events with financial exhibits is the sort that can contain restatements, disclosures of new liabilities, or new contracts.
Yeah, that's a good point. And to add to that, it could also be something benign like an administrative update, but you can't assume that without reading the attachments.
Honestly, I was a bit surprised by this one. The index alone doesn't tell us whether it's positive or negative, and that uncertainty is what creates short-term volatility.
So here's a practical approach. First, pull the full filing on the SEC Edgar site under Empire Petroleum's filings. The accession record will link right to the exhibits.
Don't trade on the index summary. Read the exhibits. If the attached financials show any revisions, or the other events note discloses a material agreement or charge, that changes the picture.
And for event-driven traders, watch trading volume and price action after people summarize the exhibits. If there's a restatement or a large liability, expect a quick move.
There are risks, too. Incomplete information, timing risk, and potential surprises in the attachments. So position sizing and waiting for clarity matter here.
Interesting.
To recap, don't panic, but don't ignore it. The filing suggests substantive content exists, so check the exhibits before making any portfolio moves.
Exactly. Read the full 8K exhibits, monitor investor relations for follow-ups, and if you hold shares, consider waiting for the details instead of reacting to the index alone.
Got it. Quick short checklist for listeners. Pull the full filing on Edgar, read the exhibits, watch trading volume and any follow-up filings, and only then reassess your position.
And one last thing. If you want us to dig through the exhibits and give a plain language summary, tell us at stockalpha.ai and use the Q&A feature. We'll answer live.
Perfect. Okay, wrapping up. Empire Petroleum filed a substantive-looking 8K today with other events and financial exhibits attached. Read the attachments before you trade.
Right. Don't guess, verify. Head over to stockalpha.ai if you want us to go deeper or have questions.
Got questions? We'd love to hear from you. Head over to stockalpha.ai where you can ask us anything and we'll answer live. And while you're there, check out more market content. Thanks for listening.